Earthspan. Good day, learners. This is Earthspan. For today's topic, we are going to talk about work and energy. We do a lot of work every day. Washing the dishes, cleaning the house, exercising, and reading are examples of work. And in order to do that work, we need energy. But what is work and energy in the world of physics? In physics, work is defined as the energy transferred by a force which causes the displacement of an object, and energy is simply defined as the capacity to do work. Pushing a box that is lying on the floor is a basic example of work. So now, how to calculate work? Work is equal to the force times the distance, and the standard unit of work is joule. Now, to make it a little bit interesting, take a look at this example. Superman lifted an airplane 10 meters above the ground using a force of 200 newtons. Calculate the work done by Superman. So in this problem, we can see that force applied is 200 newtons and the distance is 10 meters. We know that work is equal to force times the distance. Therefore, the work done is equal to 2000 joules. And now, for the second example, Mike tries to push his dad's car with a force of 15 newtons, but the car didn't move. Now the question, how much work did Mike do? We can see in this problem that Mike applied a force of 15 newtons, but since the car didn't move, this means that the distance is equal to 0. So therefore, work is equal to 0, meaning Mike have not done any work on the car. Easy, right? So now, try to solve this problem. Superman throws the airplane with a force of 500 newtons. The airplane travels 5 meters. What is the total work done by Superman? I encourage you to pause this video and try to solve the problem. So now that you finished answering the problem, let's take a look if you got the right answer. So in this problem, the force applied is 500 newtons and the distance is 5 meters. By applying the formula of work, we can get an answer of 2500 joules. Did you get it right? Comment down below. And that's it. But before we end this video, let's have a quick trivia. Did you know that the scientific word of hard work may involve little work? Why? Let's go back first to the example I gave you. Mike tries to push his dad's car with a force of 15 newton, but the car didn't move. Despite of all the effort that Mike exerted to be able to move the car, still the car didn't move. We can say that Mike did hard work to be able to push the car, but in science, the work is not done to the car. The work is 0. Another trivia, did you know that there is another way to solve work? Yes, you heard it right. There is another way to calculate work. This is the concept of the work-energy theorem, which is the change of kinetic energy. And we will be discussing this on our next video. So that's it. I hope that the concept of work is clear to you now. Once again, this is Earthspan. Learning has never been this easy for anyone, anywhere. See you on our next videos.